Good morning, Mike with Manly Mentality here. Just want to talk real quick about growth mindset versus a destructive mindset. So, my channel here has been lately about my process through TRT, testosterone replacement therapy, how I went through that, how I've been going through that, and kind of my journey on TRT. But a couple things that I haven't really talked a whole lot about is besides just the physical aspect of getting, fit again and getting back into shape, there's the mental aspect of it as well. The mental aspect of it is, simply having a growth mindset versus a destructive mindset. So what is a growth mindset versus a destructive mindset? Well, a destructive mindset is where everything that you do, everything you think is negative. It can't happen. It's not going to happen. It's not possible. I can't do this. I can't do that. The world's out to get me. I'm a victim. That type of mindset, which to me, it honestly seems like the majority of people have. I mean, the media, radio, even songs almost promote a destructive mindset, and you don't even really realize it. All the negativity out in the media about all the bullshit going on today, all that stuff creates just this negative atmosphere and this negative mentality that you take with you, and you end up actually spewing it on everybody else around you as well. You become just a beacon of negativity, and that destroys you from the inside out. Whereas a growth mindset is the opposite. It's all full of positivity. I can do this. I can do that. I will do this. I will do that. I can do whatever I set my mind to, and I will do whatever I set my mind to. On the fitness side of it and on the physical, working out and eating right and that sort of thing, it's about, hey, I'm going to set a goal. I'm going to achieve the goal. Whether that be I'm going to lose a pound this week, or I'm going to lose 2 pounds this month, or I'm going to eat, correctly, whether, I'm not going to go to get a cheeseburger at McDonald's. The growth mindset is the one that builds upon itself positively instead of the destructive mindset that builds upon itself negatively. It's really hard right now to have a growth mindset with all the negativity out there, but you have to be conscious of that negative activity, and you have to stop it. You can't let it infiltrate your mind, and you can't let it become who you are. You can stop it, you can process it, you can understand it, but you have to be aware of it in order to catch it and to stop it. So, that's an important piece of the puzzle for me, was developing and strengthening my mind into a growth mindset and getting rid of and flushing out all the negativity and all the destructive things in my life that caused me to be where I was, and to change it and to flip it on its head.